Guys, in this video I'm showing you how you can fix Twitter keeps scrolling up error. So let's jump into the video, but before getting started, here is some intro about our channel. Our channel Noteartener is a tech tutorial channel, and here we upload daily how to tutorial videos bringing solutions of the problem that you are facing on your internet journey. So you can join our community by subscribing and pressing the bell icon to get free access of our unlimited content of interesting and knowledgeable tech videos like this one. So let's get started. So if you are on the Twitter and if you open any of the tweets like that, and uh, and after that, when you simply go to the reply section, and if you scroll down and find the replies like that, and if you tap on any of the replies to open that reply. So here, when you open that reply and when you go back, then yeah, in my case, it is not happening. But in some cases, it will bring you to the very top of the tweet, and you have to uh, and you have to repeatedly uh, move to the you have to repeatedly scroll down to the bottom of these replies again and again. So what you can do for that? So in this video I'm showing you how you can fix that. So firstly, what you need to do that, firstly you have to open your settings, and it works on both Android and iOS. So if you are on the iOS, you can simply open the general settings, but I am in the Android, so you have to simply open the apps and then tap on the manage apps, and then you have to simply search for the Twitter app. In iOS, you can simply go to the apps section there by going to the general settings, and there by doing that thing you can find the Twitter app. Now simply open the Twitter app, and when you are on the iPhone, you can simply go to the storage section, and here you can find the offload option. So you can simply find the offload option, so you can simply tap on the offload, and then it will remove all the glitches or caches. So now your app is refreshed now. Now in the Android, you have to simply open the storage section of the Twitter, and then tap on the clear data in the very bottom of the page, and then tap on the clear cache, and then tap on the OK. Now if it is still not working, then you can simply open your Play Store app, and then you should consider seeing the Twitter update. So you should check it out that there is any update of Twitter, and if there is any update, so you need to update your Twitter so that you have a brand new version of the Twitter app, and it will fix that issue. So that's how you can do that. If you find this video helpful, you can subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Now see you next time.